Uh, Hey, what's up, guys? It's Big Marv here, and today I'm starting my new series called 22 Days of Funnel Hacking. Um, for those of you that don't know, obviously I'm a funnel hacker. Last month I hosted a funnel hacking workshop, and I loved it so much. I think this is just what I'm gonna do is funnel hacking. I love building funnels. They're just the shit. They transform any business or product, especially if you build it right and market it correctly. So I've been following the ClickFunnels team, and they just came out with this cookbook. And this cookbook is basically everything you need to build a sales funnel. It has every page that you need, every funnel type. Here's a squeeze page funnel. So I'm gonna be going through this book. I have the digital PDF also, so you guys can see it and follow along with me. But I'm going to be going through this book and teaching it and prepping it basically for my workshop. I'm going to be doing a funnel hacking workshop once a month where I'm teaching funnel hackers like myself or entrepreneurs like you how to build funnels and put it into your business. You leave the workshop with a funnel that you can actually put to work for yourself and you know integrate it into your business and follow up, build your email list. So let's get into the meat and potatoes of it. So if we check the index, it says chapter 3 is funnel. So it starts you off with the elements and the pages where it breaks down like what everything is on a funnel. So let me show you guys. Of course, I'm watching myself. So let me show you guys my ClickFunnels. Alright, I'll just go into this funnel here. Alright, so it goes into elements and pages first, then goes into actual funnels. That way you understand what are the different parts of a funnel before you dig into it and start building things. So if you move your mouse over, you can see the green section, or the green, yeah, that would be the section of the page. And inside that section you can build rows, which are the blue parts. So like this is a section with a single column row. This is a section with a single column row. And then here's a double column row. You see how it highlights blue and turns into two sections, and how this one highlights blue and it's just one big section. So those are the rows, and you can have several rows inside of one section. So I have a single column row here, a double column row here, and a single column row here. And inside of the rows are the actual elements. Those are the things on the page actually. So if your headline, subheadline, so like this would be a headline. This is an input button, and this is an input box. This is a button. This is a subheadline. This is a video. And this is just text and images. So every part every part of the page has section, rows, and then the actual elements that go in the rows. So chapter 3 is funnels. That's all the way page 201. Damn. Alright. Alright, chapter 3, funnel recipes. And then, actually, let me just open the PDF. Alright, so here we go. You're just one funnel away. Let's go to page 201. Actual size. Alright. 201 in here is actually page 173. So let's just keep going. Here we go. Chapter 3, funnel recipes. Alright, so you can see there's 4 different type of funnels. And you can see there's the framework of 22 of the funnel. So that's why there's 22 days of funnel hacking with Big Marv, because we're going to go through each of these frameworks just so I can show you guys how they work. Alright, so the 4 types of funnels. Lead funnels, that is basically just when you're pushing your funnel to cold traffic, you're trying to get email leads. That's the most common funnel. Buyers funnels, that's when you have actual products to sell. You can put your products in there and sell them. Event funnels, when you're having like a webinar or something, you can create a funnel around an event. And then there's other funnels, like you can create a funnel for anything. Like I have web page funnels where it's just a single page website. So let's see, recipe 1, squeeze page funnel. Squeeze page is like what the opt-in, like opt into my newsletter and you get this thing, or opt in for this and get an ebook, and it's just a thank you page. So as you can see here, squeeze page funnel's goal is to create so much curiosity that someone has to give you their email address. The squeeze page hooks them for more information. On the thank you page, you deliver what you promised and then lead them into your next funnel. Okay? So how to use squeeze page funnel in your business. If I was selling as an author, see, this book is so good, it like literally breaks it down, gives you every piece of the puzzle. If you're confused or whatever, they're just like, hey, this is what you need to do, this is how to do it. So it gives you a couple different examples. So let's dig right into it. So you can see this is the recipe. You got the squeeze page. Here's your attention getting headline and the thank you page. And then it says automation and follow-up funnels here. So what do they mean by automation? So let me show you guys one of my funnels. So here is, so this is actually a bigger funnel because it's a 6-page funnel, but I have an opt-in and a thank you page. So that's what I'm going to concentrate on. So my squeeze page would be the opt-in. So this is what the opt-in looks like. Boom, and it's like, I give you a video, I'm trying to talk you into give me your email address. Okay, and if you enter your email address and say give me my funnel, then we have this thank you page. Like, I'm going to try to upsell you some stuff, but eventually you will get to this thank you page that says, one love, thanks for joining, you'll receive an email with your funnel shortly. So the automation part, how you deliver the automation is MailChimp, or some kind of service like MailChimp. You need some kind of dedicated service where you can deliver your emails. So SendGrid's another good one, ActiveCampaign's good one. ClickFunnels has their own Actionetics built in, where you can send emails. So let's see here, free sales funnel. So I'm going to pause and edit just so you guys can see the email. So basically when you opt in, you're going to get this email. Here's your free funnel. Welcome to my money team. Here's the button to click import to actually import the funnel. And then I actually need to update this because this is outdated. Because this is for last month's workshop. This month's workshop or next month's workshop is in March. So I need to update that. Good thing I decided to look at this shit with you guys today. So let me make myself a note. Update workshop free funnel email. Actually, I'll do that while I'm on here with you guys. So the import funnel, that's going to be the same button, but this is going to be different. So I'm just going to remove this. I'll just put this image here for now. There we go. And then I'm gonna get the link for that. Motherfucker. So March 24th is the new one. Alright, so there's the link. And then click the image to get your ticket to my next #funnel hacker workshop. Alright. Side news, I'm hosting a funnel builder workshop. Join me March. Liam's not gonna be there. And then $50 deposit. Get rid of this. God damn it, wrong key. Get rid of this. Alright, and then 3/24. Alright. BigMarvsWorkshop.com. And then get rid of Liam Chase's hashtag. Space there. Alright, cool. So save and close. That's updated. And then join my money team on Facebook. So like if you have a Facebook group, you can plug your group in there. So that's the automation. So I'm going to resume all emails. So now if somebody opts into my funnel, I'm going to grab their email address and they're going to get this funnel here, and you can see click rate, open rate. So my click-through rate is 4.8%, which is pretty good. The average click-through rate is 3% or less. So let's actually build a funnel. So if you get your ClickFunnels account, you literally just click this add new button, and then it's like Cookbook builder process or classic funnel builder. So that's the original one. I like using the Cookbook personally. That's what we're going through, so let's use the Cookbook. Alright, so if you look over here, it gives you a couple different industries. So remember, there's 4 different types of funnels: generate leads, sell a product, create an event, or other. So we're going to generate leads, and then that's going to give us all the different types of funnels where you can generate leads. Now keep in mind that all these funnels can be modified. You can add new pages, take pages away. You know, these are basically just templates, framework to get you started. So like if you're going to be selling a product, you want to just start with that framework, and then you can modify it for how you want. So we're just generating a lead, so let's just do it the squeeze page funnel. Alright, so you can see it is the types to gain leads. It's 2 pages, and it takes about 20 minutes to build. And see, it says 30 minutes in the cookbook. But you can see, here's the recipe. You get the squeeze page automation, which I showed you through MailChimp. Follow-up funnels, that's where, if you look, so this funnel that I have is Big Marv's freefunnel.com, right? That's where I get them to download my actual free funnel that I'm doing. And then I have BigMarvsWorkshop.com. That is one of the best ways to learn funnels is with Big Marv. come to my monthly funnel hacker workshop. And boom, $50 deposit refunded after you attend the workshop. So we got that. So that's how in my automation email you can see I plug the workshop. Hey, here's the workshop, come join it. That's what I'm doing. So I'm sending them the free funnel, and then at the bottom of that email it's like, hey, here's my workshop. You got my free funnel, here's my workshop. So that's what they mean by follow-up funnels. So let's see, let's go back to ClickFunnels. So once you click squeeze page funnel, it's going to show you a couple of different themes. So they have blank where it starts with nothing, no colors or anything. Then they have all these are basically, they're going to be set up with a certain background, fonts, colors, and things by default. So you just find a theme that you like, or you can start with a blank theme. With a blank squeeze page funnel, there's nothing to it, there's nothing inside, it's just blank. So let's do this. Luminous. And then you click get funnel. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go to settings, and we're going to name it. I'm going to set the funnel up. So the name is going to be like whatever you're doing it for. So if this was like for my workshop, I would say, workshop leads. Alright, and then update. Alright, now this is the squeeze page, so you can click the settings, a little gear there. We're going to name the page. Nobody's going to see the name here, but the path, your end users are going to see that. So if you're promoting a funnel, you should be using a custom domain, like I have bigmarvsworkshop.com. But you can see after you go there, it goes free funnel hacker workshop. So this would be the path of the page. So we're going to put workshop leads, because we're just going to say this is, leads from my workshop. And then I'm going to say funnel hacker workshop, because that's what people are going to actually see, and I already have that. So I'm going to put funnel hacker workshop test, since I'm going to be deleting this funnel after I'm done. So update page, and then you just go back to settings, and then you can see the path. This is the starting page of the funnel. We're going to paste that path in there that you just created for the first page. Alright, now that it's named and updated, let's do the thank you page. So I'm okay with thank you page, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Just go to publishing, make sure it's set. Yep. Alright, so now you're ready to just edit the page. So you click on edit page, and it's going to load the default template. Okay. So say you don't like this banner, or you do like this banner, learn how to make money online from the comfort of your home. I can say learn how to build funnels at Big Marv's. Alright. Are you ready to build the best funnels of your life?
No, you're gonna go find it. See you later, man.
See ya.
Thanks for having us over.
Yep.
Don't forget me.
I won't forget you, Dougie Fresh.
Uh-huh.
Are you ready to build the best funnels of your life? Join Big Marv next month and change your business forever. So you can see there's sections, that's the green part, and then inside the section are the rows. And the rows are different elements. So say I wanted to put my banner in here. I can go add element, image, drag it over, boom, demo image. Then you just click this link here. You can upload your own image, or you can even go stock. And they have the stock images that you can use, you know. And then, oh, that's way too big, so let's just set it here, 200 pixels. Boom, image width. Alright, and then say you put something on there and you want to take it away, like subscribe below for free, I can just get rid of this, hit delete, boom, it goes away. So say you want their name, email, and phone number, you go add element, input, and you can drag it up here. So, and then you just click on it, input type, full name, placeholder text, name, that's what people are going to actually see right here. Is this field required or not required? Required. Advanced, themes, this is how it's going to look on here. Do you want it to have a white border? Do you want it to be 3D gradient, no icon? You know. So we can go default input, and then advanced, they have icons. So this would put that little icon at the end of the bar there. And the same thing goes if you want the phone number. Input, input type, phone number, placeholder text, phone, required or not required, advanced, icon, phone icon, and tell me more. Set action, you always want to be submit form. Alright, now how does this form work? Like how do you get this actual information? You know, like if somebody, because it's not gonna just save the information, start, you know, poof into space. What are you gonna? How do you actually collect that information and manage it? Like it says, you need some kind of SMTP service. So Mailchimp, they have things called lists. So I can go to my list and see. You can see all my different lists. So for Big Marv's money team, I'm gonna move this over here because I don't know if it's gonna show email addresses once I click on it. Yeah, it does. So if you go into settings, list, and go to list fields and merge tags. Alright, so once you go into your list, and then settings, list fields, and merge tags, that's where you set the stuff for the form. So you can see email address, first name, last name. Is it required? See, this is that box for it required or not required. You know, I can add a field for phone number. Title it phone. A phone. Alright. Now say you had a custom one where you're like, well, I want to know like what's their favorite kind of car. You would put text here, and then just put car. Is it required or not? And then here's your merge tag. Now the merge tag is what you're actually going to put in ClickFunnels to make it work. So you can put fave car. Alright, save changes. So now you can go over here, element, add element, input, input type, and then you put custom type, and then what you put here is the merge tag. So fav car, and then placeholder text, what is your favorite car? And then required or not required. I didn't make it required, so we're going to leave it as not required. And then advanced, you can put an icon if you want to, but it doesn't apply. And then submit on enter on, and then boom, that's how you do custom fields, and that's how you maintain the list, so you can actually follow up with them. You can create campaigns for your list. Like when you create a campaign, you can say create an email test And then who's it going to? Add recipients, and you just literally choose your list. Big Marv's Money Team. All subscribers, new subscribers, blah, blah, blah. You just set it, and you can build out an email, and you're good to go. So that was the squeeze page. Oh, let me show you one more thing. SEO metadata. So this is the page information that people are actually going to see on Google. So if somebody, or like if you share your page, like you go to Facebook, for example. So if I were to put http bigmarvsworkshop.com and hit enter, you see it's fetching a preview. Come on, fetch it. Okay, so you see bigmarvsworkshop.com. It doesn't even show much of anything. That's not even what it's supposed to do. Anyways, I have the SEO metadata. Let me try my free funnel. Or actually, alright, there you go. So Coffin Studios, creative digital agency. We're a web design development. And Coffin Studios is my company, so this is the SEO metadata saved for the page. So that's what metadata is like if somebody organically finds you, like if you go to Google and search for Coffin Studios, you see this is the SEO metadata. So that's what people are going to see before they click on the website. So you want to make sure you put your metadata in there. And then integrations, that's how you make it work. So you see my Big Marv MailChimp, I already have my MailChimp action. You want to add them to list to add them to, Big Marv's Money Team or whatever list. Confirmation email, make sure you don't send a confirmation email. The reason for that being is if you tell them to send a confirmation email, first they're going to get an email from MailChimp saying, do you want to subscribe to this list? Then, if they don't respond or do anything to that email, your email won't get delivered to them because they never actually clicked on that email and subscribed to your list. So don't send them confirmation. They don't need a confirmation. They clicked send me the email, so you don't need to send a second confirmation. Them clicking the button was the confirmation. So let's edit the metadata and just say Big Marv Workshop description. Join my free monthly workshop. Keywords, I don't care about keywords because I'm paying for ads. So I don't care about keywords. But this would be keywords like if you're big on SEO, you can put all your keywords in here that someone might search for. Might find you through Google. But if you're paying to show your funnel to people, then fuck SEO. Alright, social image. Boom. Alright. And then save. And then the same thing goes for the thank you page, you know. You just go to the thank you page, edit page. And then you can modify all the elements. What's next? Big Marv's going to send you an email. Big Marv will send you an email with next steps. So you might want to add, you know, like a button that says, you know, follow me on Facebook. So set action would be go to website URL, and then I would put my Facebook link. www.facebook.com/marv@night. Open in same window, why not? Alright. Click to sign up, it's going to say follow Big Marv on Facebook. Alright. And then background color, let's make it match. Ooh, it's too bright. Alright, so we'll do that. Themes, like this is like, what kind of button do you want? Alright. Orange dark button, that matches the theme. And then go advanced. The icon, there's before and after. This is going to be an icon that's going to show up after the text. Alright. And then same thing, you want to do SEO metadata, save, and then preview this. And then you can see this link works. It goes to my Facebook page, Big Marv. Woo! Alright, the next big thing that you're probably going to do that they don't even touch in the Funnel Hackers Cookbook, but I'm going to touch on for you, is the pixel. You need a Facebook pixel on your phones. Like, no bullshit, you need a pixel. So if you go to business.facebook.com and go to my business, alright, so we'll go here to pixels. Alright, and then I'll go to my Coffin Studios pixel. And then setup. Click setup. And manually install the code yourself. Alright, so you grab this code right here. And on the opt-in page, you're going to put just this code on the opt-in page. Right? So you go to edit page. You go to settings, tracking code. And in the header portion, you put the Facebook code. Alright, and save. Alright, now the next thing you're going to do is install the event code on the conversion page, or the thank you page. Alright, so that's gonna tell Facebook what happened when they went to your website. Did they purchase something? Did you generate a lead? Did they complete registration? What did they do? In this case, we're generating leads. So we're gonna copy this to clipboard. Alright, settings, tracking code. In the footer part, you put that script there. And say you have a pixel where you want to do multiple events. You just do, like, say you generate a lead and they purchase something. Click on purchase, and then you grab this script, copy it. And you don't need it to run two scripts, okay? So this is start script, do this thing, end script. Start script, do this thing, end script. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these two parts out. So it's start script, do these two things, end script. Okay, and then in the header code, we need to match the actual pixel to it. So we're going to go back to install your pixel code, copy this, and put that in the header portion. So the header is going to be tracking somebody for this pixel landed on this page. Now once they land on the page, then it's going to run this script and say track that it's a lead and track that it's a purchase. Okay? Where is that helpful? Whenever you run a Facebook ad, like when you create an ad, you can do conversion ads based on pixel. So you can go conversion and key result, leads, continue, and then website, and then these are all your pixels that you set up. So lead, electrophonics, pixel. So that's how you set the pixels up, and the strongest point of running a funnel paired with digital marketing ads. So that's pretty much it for the squeeze page funnel. This is day 1 of 22 days of funnel hacking with Big Marv. And like we said, we're going to go through this funnel hacker workbook. I'm going to build all these funnels with you guys, and I'm actually giving this book away at my workshop next month. So again, that URL is www.bigmarvsworkshop.com. Go ahead and visit that link, and you can come to my workshop. I hope to see you there. If you like the funnel that I was working on today, you can go to bigmarvsfreefunnel.com and download a copy of that for yourself. Thank you again for watching. This is Big Marv. One love.